Also today, two of the nurses linked to the death of a malnourished Dayton teen were in court to learn their fates. Mary Kilby and Catherine Williams were two of the people trusted to care for young Michaela Norman. Prosecutors say the 14-year-old had cerebral palsy and weighed just 28 pounds the day she died in March 2011. Both women had pleaded no contest to 2 counts of failing to provide for the functionally impaired. Jordan Burgess live with new information on the case, including the punishments handed down today. Jordan?
Prosecutors call it one of the most horrific cases they've seen. A teenager who authorities say was starved to death. Two of the nurses involved found out today what they'll lose and what they won't, despite requests from prosecutors. Their job was to take care of the girl who couldn't take care of herself, 14-year-old Michaela Norman, who was suffering from cerebral palsy. But instead, Norman died, weighing only 28 pounds.
What happened to Michaela should never happen to any child, ever, anywhere.
64-year-old Mary Kilby and 43-year-old Catherine Williams were sentenced Wednesday for their roles in Norman's death. The two were given 5 years of probation and must complete 100 hours of community service. But prosecutors wanted more.
We asked for prison, but I think the important thing is that the defendants, both Catherine Williams and Mary Kilby, have been held accountable.
The two didn't lose their freedom, but they will lose their nursing licenses.
The judge ensured that by requiring that they surrender their nursing license, that they will not care for any other patients.
Kilby and Williams were supposed to inspect the living conditions of Michaela's Taylor Street home and provide care for her. The two didn't have anything themselves to say in court about what they did or didn't do, although Williams' lawyer spoke for her.
She takes full responsibility for her involvement. She's very heartbroken and remorseful for the loss in this case.
Prosecutors say the case shouldn't cause you to lose confidence in the thousands of nurses out there who do a good job.
I don't think it's an indictment against nurses in general or the profession, and I think we need to remember to commend them more often when they do the job as they're supposed to and do it well.
The two nurses, along with Dr. Margaret Edwards, are still facing charges in juvenile court for failing to report child abuse. A third nurse, Molly Parsons, will go on trial next month for her role in Michaela's death. Michaela's mother, Angela, is already serving a 9-year prison term after being sentenced in May. Reporting live, Jordan Burgess, 2 News.